Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixsoft. In this video we'll go through how to install and run Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Anaconda. Open the official site, anaconda.com. Now scroll a little and click on Anaconda. Now click Download Anaconda at the top. Here click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. Now scroll down and click on Windows 64-bit installer. And the setup file will start downloading. Once the download completes, open the installer to begin the setup. Click Next and accept the license agreement. When it asks for the installation type, choose All Users. Continue to the next screen where you'll see the install location. The default location is fine, but you can change it if you want. Though keep in mind it will use about 5 GB of space. Click Next. You'll now see advanced installation options. The recommended settings are already selected. Also check these additional options. Click Install to begin. When the installation finishes, click Next, then Next again. You'll see options to launch Anaconda Navigator or the Anaconda distribution on exit. You can uncheck those and click Finish. Open the Start menu and search for Anaconda. You'll notice two items, Anaconda Prompt and Anaconda Navigator. The Anaconda Prompt is the command line tool for managing environments and packages, while Anaconda Navigator is the graphical interface. For now, open Anaconda Prompt. To start Jupyter Notebook, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. Jupyter Notebook will open in your browser. You'll see your desktop and other folders. Let's create a project. Click New and create a folder. Name it something like Fixsoft Python. Open the folder, click New again and choose Python 3. This creates a new notebook. Click the title at the top to rename it. Name it something like Demo and save it. The file now has the .ipnb extension. Now you can run Python code inside it. For example, type a simple print statement. Press Ctrl+Enter or click Run to execute it. The notebook will display the output below the cell. And that's it. We have successfully installed and run Jupyter Notebook on our Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.